in the back. Whoa, but something must be wrong up front. Ah, goggles. Uh-oh, nobody's driving the truck. The kitties are too busy reading. And they're headed straight for that narrow bridge. Kitties, you can't all read the book. Who's going to steer? Oh no! Skye to Ryder. The delivery truck is dangling off Old Rickety Bridge.
If I get too close, my helicopter might blow the truck, the kitties, and the books over the edge.
We're almost there, Skye, and we're bringing backup. Rubble, we need your help.
Rubble on the double.
Skye, are the kitties okay?
They're fine for now. Reading seems to be keeping them calm.
Hurry, Rubble. See if you can use your electromagnet to pull the truck away from the edge. On it, Ryder. Rah! Electromagnet. Easy does it, Rubble. The smallest bump could make all the books fall. Okay, bookworms. Time to return that book and come on out.
Wait, kitties! If Mayor Goodway gets her books back, no one will want to read mine. It has a chapter just for cats. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow.
Mayor Humdinger!
Eyes on the road.
Huh?
Oh no! The books and that kitty are going to fall!
Not if I can help it. Skye, follow my lead. Now! Hook! Got him! Ow! She did it! Yay! Ow, ow!
Great save, Liberty. Now let's get those books back to Mayor Goodway.
On my way.
Where are you going? Come on, take one. You don't even have to read it. Look, you can listen to it while you drive. They were the best of kitties. They were the cutest of kitties.
Sorry, Mayor Humdinger. I gotta go.
To a cock-a-doodle-doozy of a reader, Mr. Carter.
Oh, a signed book from my favorite author!
Aw, what a happy ending. For you and your books.
And it's all thanks to the PAW Patrol.
You're welcome, Mayor Goodway. Whenever your books are bound for trouble, just yell for help.
Mayor Humdinger, you want a copy of my book?
Of course not. It's for a couple of friends of mine.
To 6 kitties with impeccable taste.
You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nick Jr.'s Shimmer and Shine YouTube channel for new videos every week. And find more of your favorite shows on Nickelodeon.